Ipe upendo ipo halisi kwenye streets mitaani machizi uko flatmate kwenye kaya za mabao vile inafaa.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be looking at how to create a profile. During the last video we looked at how to create a surface, so if you haven't watched that, please be sure to do that so that you can be able to link one class to another. So let's find our project. This is where we reached last time. We created this surface. So in order to create a profile, you're going to come here to profile. You're going to say create surface profile. Then you're going to click on your surface which you created. Make sure the alignment is the correct alignment, and then we're going to say add, and then we're going to say okay. And after that, we're going to come here to profile view. We're going to say create profile view. We're going to give it a name. So I'm going to call it MK1 to MK70 profile view, and then we're going to say next. We're going to say next, 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 and then create profile view. So we select where we want our profile view to be. I want mine here. So there we go. So this right here shows your original ground level, as you can see. So we need to make some modifications to it so that we can make it a little bit more realistic, especially in regions such as this where it steeps too much. Yeah. So what you do is you're going to come here to profile, click on profile creation tools, click on the profile view, and then we're going to name this MK1 to MK70. I'm going to call mine final profile. And then I'm going to use design based criteria, and then I'm going to say okay. So this opens up these profile creation tools right here, which are almost similar to the ones on alignment. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to say draw tangents with curves, and so we're going to start at the beginning, maybe somewhere here, and then we draw. We're trying to make our slopings as gentle as possible. And we finally end there and say enter. So that's been made. We have a couple of error warnings. That's probably to do with like the radius and all that, so we can always adjust this. Go. Let's keep making adjustments. This one doesn't have. See where else we have a warning. There we go. If you bring it down, as I'm doing, you're increasing your radius. If you bring it up, you're reducing your radius. So we just keep adjusting until it tells us that it's fine. Yeah, I believe it's fine. Yeah, we're fine now. Taking care of all our error messages. So then this becomes our final profile. So yeah, that's it. So that's how you create a profile in Civil 3D. If you've not watched any of the other videos, please make sure you do that. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!